So today we making a gun, something that called a little bit personal gun, more like a hunting ground gun, a gun that we can use to hunt down a shoot prey, a shoot or a shoot predator, hunting down some giant bears, lions, tigers, and deadliest animals out there. With this one shot of the bullet, it can take down a whole massive grizzly bear. A grizzly bear that shoot huge enough as big as a small house. One side of the bullet side of my face shaped like this. One knock, one hit of the bullet, it will end the nightmare. The impact of the bullet are very dangerous and a strong impact. The first thing is that the spiky head. The spiky head of the bullet. This is the head of the bullet. It's shaped like a circle, like a ball, a small ball. And this is the bodies that connected to the head of the bullet. And this is the spiky ball. The spiky ball that's sharp like a teeth, a sharp small teeth that connected circling around the head of the ball, and the ball connected to the head of the bullet. It mostly like a spiky hand, but it's small, a small size bullet. How can we shoot it? It's depending on the instructor of the bullet. The instructor of the where the powder is hiding. The gunpowder's hiding in here, in the downside of the bullet tunnel, and then we close it in, connect it, close it, and then now we having a bullet. And this bullet only working with the new special gun, and this is the new gun, a gun that have a shoot tunnel, that shoot enough fit aside of the head spiky ball of your bullet. This is the spiky ball head bullet, and this is the tunnel of the gun. A tunnel of the gun that can crack open and close it up like this, and crack it open like this. The important thing is that we crack this open to put the bullet in, or putting the bullet into the cracking hole that we crack open, and put and place one of these bullet into this crack open and close it up. After we close it, this is the explosive, but the explosive but of the bullet stay in here, and the trigger is here. When you pull the trigger, the amount of explosive explosion will push the spiky ball head bullet out of the tunnel of the bullet and hit through to your target. And this gun is very deadliest, the newest creation and the deadliest weaponized ever created. A gun that having a tunnel can crack open and putting the bullets in the crack, place it in the spot, and this is the spot where the explosive hiding stay right here. And when we close it back, pull the trigger, and it shoot. Most of the bullets is depending on the bullet powders. The explosive powder, the powder that help destructive to pushing the bullet head through like this. But also we need to make a thumbnail that fits suitable enough for the bullet head. For the bullet head enough can put it into the thumbnail, it can go through, we can control it, where it go, where it land smoothly. And this is the important part, is the explosive part. The explosive part that fit into the right spot of the gun. In the same spot of the crack opening. The spot that crack opening to putting the bullets inside the crack opening, also the same spot, perfectly spot that we putting the explosive into it. After it explode, we can take out the left behind of the bullet, and this is the bullet head. The bullet head is very dangerous. One shoot at this bullet, everything will turn upside down to the target. It's dangerous.